Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is all about the bad habits that we might have without even realizing it. These habits may be small, but they can age us faster than we would like. In today's video, we will discuss the top 15 bad habits that can age you faster, so make sure to stick around until the end. Habit number 1: skipping sunscreen. We all know that the sun can be harmful to our skin, but did you know that it's one of the leading causes of premature aging? Skipping sunscreen can damage your skin and cause wrinkles, fine lines, and sunspots. So always remember to wear sunscreen, even on cloudy days. Habit number 2: lack of sleep. Sleep is essential for our bodies to repair and regenerate, and a lack of sleep can lead to premature aging. It's important to aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to allow our bodies to rest and recharge. Habit number 3: poor diet. Eating unhealthy foods can accelerate the aging process. A diet high in sugar and processed foods can cause inflammation and oxidative stress, which can damage your skin and cause premature aging. Aim for a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole foods to keep your body healthy. Habit number 4: smoking. Smoking not only causes damage to your lungs, but it can also age your skin faster. Smoking causes wrinkles and dullness in your skin and can make you look older than you actually are. Habit number 5: lack of exercise. A sedentary lifestyle can cause muscle loss, weak bones, and slower metabolism, which can all lead to premature aging. Regular exercise helps to keep your body healthy and can slow down the aging process. Habit number 6: not drinking enough water. Dehydration can cause your skin to lose elasticity and become dry, leading to premature aging. Make sure to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep your skin hydrated and healthy. Habit number 7: too much alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to dehydration, which can damage your skin and cause premature aging. Limit your alcohol intake and make sure to drink plenty of water when consuming alcohol. Habit number 8: squinting. Squinting can cause wrinkles and fine lines around your eyes, which can make you look older. Wear sunglasses to protect your eyes from the sun and avoid squinting. Habit number 9: sleeping with makeup on. Sleeping with makeup on can clog your pores, leading to breakouts and premature aging. Make sure to remove your makeup before going to bed to keep your skin healthy. Habit number 10: stress. Chronic stress can lead to inflammation and damage to your skin, causing premature aging. Find ways to manage your stress, such as exercise, meditation, or deep breathing techniques. Habit number 11: not moisturizing. Moisturizing is essential to keep your skin hydrated and healthy. Dry skin can lead to premature aging, so make sure to moisturize your skin daily. Habit number 12: over-exfoliating. Exfoliating can help to remove dead skin cells, but over-exfoliating can cause damage to your skin and lead to premature aging. Limit your exfoliation to once or twice a week to keep your skin healthy. Habit number 13: not getting enough vitamin C. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which keeps your skin firm and youthful. Make sure to eat foods high in vitamin C, such as oranges, strawberries, and bell peppers, or take a vitamin C supplement. Habit number 14: lack of eye protection. The skin around your eyes is delicate and can easily become damaged by the sun's rays. Wear sunglasses and avoid rubbing your eyes to prevent wrinkles and fine lines. Habit number 15: lack of self-care. Taking care of yourself is essential for your overall health and well-being. Neglecting self-care can lead to stress, anxiety, and other health issues that can accelerate the aging process. Make sure to take time for yourself each day, whether it's taking a relaxing bath, reading a book, or practicing meditation. Conclusion. There you have it, folks, the top 15 bad habits that can age you faster without you even noticing it. It's important to be aware of these habits and make changes to your lifestyle to slow down the aging process. Remember, it's never too late to start taking care of yourself and making positive changes to your habits. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.